Hello. Welcome to AI360studio.com. Allow me to guide you on how to create a professional video in few seconds using Video Genius. Go to your AI360studio.com account, enter your login details and click the blue Sign In button. From your dashboard, locate and click the Video Genius icon. It's purple with a mascot. Click the text button and insert your script into the description column and press Create AI Video. Now that your video has been fully generated, you can edit and customize it using your own style. You can easily change the narration, music, voice and caption within the same edit column. You can also change the orientation from portrait to landscape, and Video Genius will adjust your video in few seconds. Here, you click Regenerate and the app will auto-generates the edited video and present the updated version in few seconds. Finally, preview your updated video and download it immediately. It is that simple and direct. That's it. Now why don't you go try out the app right now and let AI360 Studio Video Genius app help you take your AI game and profits to another level using Video Genius. If you don't have an AI360 Studio app yet, then you have to go to AI360studio.com to sign up for an account at the special deal going on now. Thank you for watching.